Open the plus sign in the upper right corner. Click Add Device. Waiting for Bluetooth to search for the scooter. Click to connect. After completing the settings, the connection is successful. Now you can control the scooter in your phone. In the app, you can customize your ride. You can enable cruise mode to free up your fingers and turn the headlights on and off. You can also adjust whether to push start or Z or start based on your preference. You can also set different riding modes, such as Eco or Sport mode. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner. You can disconnect the device. You can also click the power button 6 times to disconnect your device. You can click Lock button to park your scooter. It cannot be started at this mode. Click again to unlock. Now, enjoy your ride.